cabbage.
So now we're making pickled vegetables a la Turkish style. So we have our chopped cabbage.
Excuse them with right? Şey yapacağım değil mi abla? Şey
Azıcık
yapacağım.
böyle bir sıkacağım.
Add salt.
She will excuse right?
Yani şey.
And with salt.
Add salt to your cabbage. You're going to give it a hearty massage. You want to break down the fibers.
Because that is way, cabbage absorbs the salt better. And then also it is getting softer.
This is a very important step to do because it will break down the fibers, it will soften the cabbage, and it will help absorb the liquid.
On the bottom, as you see, she put mini garlics. Yeah.
So after you put your garlic in on the bottom, and those are whole garlic cloves,
Yeah.
then you're going to add and layer your vegetables. So we have a layer of cabbage, and then a layer of cauliflower with our cut carrots. And you're basically layering this like a parfait. So you're going to keep stacking your vegetables, and you're going to compress it. Use your fist and really push down your cabbage. On the side we have a jar of pickled vegetables that's already been processed in pickles, and on the left side we are still making our jar of pickled vegetables. And you can see you really pack this in tightly, you push it down, and you want to get in as much as you can. And we're just about at the top here.
Yes. Without messaging it, I don't believe that.
And then for the top, a big handful of fresh Italian flat leaf parsley.
Ben de öyle.
Yeah.
So now we're adding water. This is just water to see how much water is necessary to fill our jar.
It's just a way of
Amount of water. Maybe she will have just a little bit more water. She has good measurements, just skills. Okay.
Okay.
Now she's going to pour back it.
And this is the measurement.
This is a measurement, yeah. Never know that before. I'm learning new stuff today.
2 cups of apple cider vinegar, and which have replaced 2 cups of our water. We're adding some salt.
Wow.
Yeter mi ki? Bir bakmam
Bana
lazım.
Okay, she's gonna taste the.
Tadına bakmamız lazım. O yüzden böyle yapıyoruz.
So, adjust your salt to
Yarım
taste.
kaşık daha
There's
koy.
no sugar in this liquid, in this pickling mixture.
In total, she used 2.5 tablespoons of salt.
So now press your vegetables down, and you're going to pour your pickling mixture on top of your vegetables, and perfecto. And there you go. You have your pickled vegetables.
It's ready.
Fridge. But as I said before, the warm environment will be better. That's why no fridge.
Dark?
Or our garden or outside.
Doesn't matter. Dark, lighter, it doesn't matter.
You're going to let your vegetables pickle for about 2 weeks. They will be done. It's good to leave them in a dark, warm place. After you open them, keep them in the refrigerator.